Welcome back to my channel. I'm the host, John Shaft, and this is my C7 Corvette channel. And this video is going to be about the things that you shouldn't be doing with your exotic super sports car. And one thing that you shouldn't be doing is trying to outrun the police. Looks like he thought he went the wrong way. There's a Corvette on here. Check out this guy having this Dodge Challenger. He done hit a pole and activated this airbag. And the airbag threw the passenger out of the vehicle as he's hanging out on the side of the vehicle. Wow, you see that patrol unit go around and have an accident, flipped over. This is some impressing driving here. Oh, there go chips. LA County and RCHP. Oh, he's gonna go around the cops. Oh, somebody lit him up. This is John Shaft. This is my C7 Corvette channel. I ask you to hit the like button, share button, subscribe to my channel, and hit the notification button so you know when I'm doing an upload.